Good morning, children. This is Saibal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with R.S. Agarwal, the chapter Ratio and Proportion. So far, we have completed till exercise 10b. So here in this video, I'm gonna explain about some very important, interesting questions of exercise 10c from R.S. Agarwal. So this is exercise 10c. I'm starting from question number 1. So children, question is that if the cost of 14-meter cloths, if the cost of 14-meter cloths, cost of 14-meter cloth is, the cost of 14-meter cloth is rupees 1,890 rupees. Then find the cost of, we have to find the cost of 6 meter, we have to find the cost of 6 meter of cloth. What will be the price? Children, this question is one of the most important question, rather we can say it's one of the most important question, this kind of question gives us an immense knowledge about the concept of proportion. Children, this question can be solved using unitary method as well as proportion method. So I'll be showing you both the ways to calculate this sum. So the first, we will calculate this sum in unitary method, just to get the idea about how unitary method are to be done actually. We need to write a statement for that. The price of the cost of 14 meter cloth, 14 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 1,890 rupees. Okay. The cost of 1 meter of cloth. Children, if 14 meter cost is 1,890, so of course 1 meter will be lesser. So whenever we deal with lesser amount or lesser values comparison to the given number, we always divide. Okay, just to get 1 meter. So similar way we use for calculating any sort of divisional sums and all. So here 1,890 is to be divided by 14. This much rupees is the price of 1 meter of cloth. Now children, the cost of 6 meter of cloth is how much? Children, of course 6 meter is greater than 1 meter. Yes, 6 meter is greater than 1 meter. So naturally, whenever we are going to find for any number, we just multiply with the amount for 1. So the amount for 1 is this much. Okay, so just we are going to find for 6 meter, simply we will multiply 1,890 by 14 to be multiplied by 6. We can cancel them out in a very easy way. 3 2s are 6. Okay, and here 7 2s are 14. Can we cancel 7 with 189? 1890. If I take 7 2s are 14, 14 4, yes, it can be simply cancelled. 7 2s are 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. 4 will come in front of 9. It will be 7 7s are 49. 270. So my final answer is 270 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 7s are 21. 1. It will be carried. 3 2s are 6. And 3 2s are 6. 7 and 8. 810 rupees. The product of 270 and 3 will be 810 rupees. Children, this one I have calculated using unitary method. So same thing I can try, or rather I can show using proportion method. Children, the concept of proportion is very simple. The price for 6 meter of cloth we don't know, let it be X. So let's we assume, let's we assume the price of 6 meter of cloth be equal to X rupees. So according to the question, children, we know the format of proportion. Price is to length is to price equal to length is to price. So length is to price, proportion again length is to price. So the length was 14 meter, is to price was 1890 equal to, instead of proportion we can write equals to, length was 6 meter, price is X rupees. So now we calculate this one. 14, it will be 14 is to, we know the meaning of is to means division. 14 by 1890 equal to 6 is to X means it will be 6 by X. Okay, now cross multiplication, children, we know it. Okay, so 14 into X will be 14 into X, we'll write in this way. Okay, and 6 into 1890 will be 6 into 1890 only. Now children, there is a rule called transposition. When we send any number from one side to other side of equal to sign, symbol gets, operation gets changed or opposite. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, into becomes division, division becomes into. Okay, so I'm just sending this 14 to this side. It will be X equal to 6 into 1890 by 14. Okay, now all of you, this 14 will be cancelled with this one. 14 ones are 14, 15, 16, 17, we can cancel it by simple number. Simple calculation can be done over here. As I got no space, so I'm just clearing this space a bit. 6 into 1890 by 14, 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, again 7 cancelling this one, 7 to the 14, 4, 7 7 is 14, 270. So 3 into 270 is 0. Again 810, children. So we can simply just compare our answer. In a proportion method we got 810, and while we were dealing with unitary method, that time also we got 810. So both the ways, unitary method and proportion method, is applicable. So whatever the process you find convenient for you, comfortable for you, you can go ahead with that. There is no issues with the process. But whatever you are using, whether it's a unitary method or a proportion method, the process should be correct. Okay, the calculation should be done correctly. So children, this was all about question number 1. So I taught you how to deal with unitary method as well as proportion method. Now your part of job is question number 2 and question number 3. Both the sums will be your homework. We'll try out using both the process, unitary method as well as proportion method of these two sums, and you will submit these two sums in the Google Classroom. If there are any doubts or confusion in dealing with these two sums, feel free to speak to your sir. Till then, thank you so much, children. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.